Have you ever wondered why you've not been making any money despite all the efforts and time you've been putting into arbitrage trading? Are you almost quitting arbitrage because you feel it's not profitable, or that there is a high tendency of you losing your hard-earned money? Well, I've been using a unique arbitrage strategy to make consistent profit for several months now, and the results are mouth-watering. Sometimes we've even been able to flip our accounts in just a single trade. Yes, I mean just a single trade. And just in case you are still skeptical if this is true or not, today I'll be doing a live trade with as little as $100 in this video, just to prove to you that arbitrage trading is still very profitable and that as a complete beginner you can still make money with it. I'll be showing you the exchange we bought the coin from and the exchange we sold it on to make some profits. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'll be showing you how you can get some signals to test for completely free. So without wasting too much of your time, let's quickly go into the live trade. We made our research and discovered that a coin named Mongi is going to be listed on BitGet. We went on to also discover that that coin had been previously listed on MEXC exchange. So we will need to first buy the coin on MEXC, then transfer the coin to BitGet and then wait for the listing. So here is MEXC exchange. We will be using $100 for this live trade because it's basic and quite an average capital for traders. However, there's enough liquidity and volume on this coin and also this exchange, so you can freely trade with thousands of dollars or even $50 depending on what you intend to risk. Now, because we normally discover these listings 24 hours or more before the exact date, we prefer to buy the coin in parts. In this video, I'll be buying the coin in two parts. I'll buy half a day before the listing and the other half just a few hours or minutes before the listing. This is called dollar cost averaging, as DCA. This is a simple way of managing my risk so that if the price of the coin drops before the listings, my next buy will average up the overall cost of the coin. So here we have bought half of the worth we intend trading with. We click on it to show us more details, and here it is, $50. And here are the units of the coins given, 2,112. Then we go on to check the next time we bought the other half. Here it is. We click on it to show the details. Here is the other $50. And here are the units of the coin given, 2,431. If you add up that to the first, that will give us 4,543 worth of Mongi coin. And just before the listing, we withdrew the entire worth to our BitGet account. Here are the withdrawal details. Now we will go on to our BitGet account to both confirm the deposit and also take the live trade. So here is the deposit after MEXC had taken out the withdrawal fees. Here are the details of the deposit. And now to the most important thing, the live trade, right? Here on the live trade section, we will be targeting to make just 10% of our capital. And here is the price of the coin I'll be targeting to give me that 10% profit. From our research, this coin will pump very high. However, we want to keep things simple. So that's why we'll only be aiming for 10% in this video. Okay, it's few seconds away and it's time. I hit on the sell button quickly and then hit confirm. You see, my limit order was filled immediately. Just imagine, the pump is so crazy, guys. You can see it yourself. It even pumped to 0.065. It's way above the price I targeted. You and I would have made more than $100 in this single trade with just targeting 0.05. You can see the price of the coin is still sustained well above the price I sold at that 10% profit. I sold at 0.024, and you can see the numbers here for yourself, guys. Let's now go on to see the charts so we can see the top of this pump or the peak. Here it is, 0.0651. That's more than 100x. I told you guys, our 10% guys is still secured because that was our set target for the purpose of this video. So let me know in the comments if you would want me to target higher profits in our next videos. Let's also go on to the order history to see the details of this trade. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so now let's do the maths. If we had targeted the top, let's say 0.065 with our units of Mongi, okay, we would have made a whooping 191% profit on this single trade. And we can sometimes have these trades in their numbers daily. Sometimes we have up to 10 of these kinds of trades. The profits are endless, guys. We just can't be posting videos of all these trades on daily basis. We can only post just a few. But if you would like to see the results of each of our trades every day, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Like I promised earlier on in this video, if you'd like to test some of our signals, do well to chat me up on Telegram and just tell me you watched this particular video and that you want a free signal, and we'll help you with that, okay? All links are in the description of this video. But just before you click off, even if you have watched this video to this point and maybe about to get some free signals, you might be on your way to trading any of these signals the wrong way, or even losing your funds to scam tokens if you don't know how to manage your trades and how to identify scam tokens. So I'll leave the video for that in the description. Make sure you watch that video before you take any trade.